This is the last call for the Walt Disney World Railroad. Now departing for a grand circle tour around the Magic Kingdom with stops in Frontierland and Mickey's Starland. Last call.
Howdy, folks, and welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. Making a grand tour of the Magic Kingdom with stops at Frontierland and Mickey's Starland. During our trip, we'd appreciate it if you remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside the train. Also, there's no smoking, no eating, no drinking, and no sleeping while you're on these here rails. All right, we're off to Frontierland.
It's the most expensive place around.
Hear that? Hey, cut the music, fellas, so we can hear. Sounds to me like we happened to cross lions, tigers, and bears. My, well, I think there are no bears in the jungle, but there are a lot of other savage critters out here in the wilds of Adventureland. Everybody best be on the lookout. Never can tell where them man-eating lions and train-eating tigers might pop up. We'll be safely out of bed just as soon as we know they come. Different kinds. All in disorder of the wild, Now we're entering Frontierland, home to Tom Sawyer Island, the Diamond Horseshoe Jamboree, and of course those silly singing country western. It's under construction right now, but it'll be open next fall. Let's sneak a peek Welcome to Frontierland and the Frontierland Station. If you're getting off here, please stay seated till the train comes to a complete stop. All right, we're on the rails again, steaming toward Mickey's Starland and all points beyond. Those of you just joined us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. During our trip, we ask that you remain seated, keeping your legs and arms inside the train. And please don't be thinking about eating, drinking, or smoking. Thank you. Right now, we're passing through the foothills of Big Thunder Mountain and the tiny town of Tumbleweed. Things just ain't been the same here since the mountain and through cold night. Trying to ride those trains. We're entering the weeds. Now, things are pretty tough out here on the wall.
Granted, I think they made that go a lot faster than it made it
They're on the island.
There's
Coming up to the right are two of the oldest and roughest river rats to settle these parts, old Beacon Joe and his dog Rufus. Those two have survived it all these many years. Ambushes, alligator attacks, floods, and yup, even glass photography. Ahead is a small tribe of Native Americans camped out along the side of the track. Don't worry, these Plains Indians are peaceful and friendly folk, and they often welcome travelers like us with a hearty meal and some good trading, blankets, stoneware, jewelry, and, of course, Disney souvenirs. By the way, you're traveling aboard one of 4 genuine steam-powered trains that ride these rails daily here in the Magic Kingdom. These iron horses are descendants of the grand old engines that crisscrossed our growing nation before the turn of the century. It won't be long now, folks, and we'll be rolling into Mickey's Starland, our next stop on the Walt Disney World Railroad. At the rate we've been traveling, we should have called this the Walt Disney World Express. Well, I'll be. Someone beat me to it. Just ahead, it's Mickey's Starland, serving Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and of course, home of Mickey, Minnie, and the rest of that delightful Disney gang. Here's a Starland tip for you. Just to the right of the train station is the house the mouse built. That's right, it's Mickey's house. You can go right in and see for yourself. If you keep going through Mickey's house, you'll see where Pluto, Goofy, and Donald live. Please stay seated until the train lurches to a full stop. Gather your personal belongings and watch your steps.
Are you gonna make that bigger?
Have a good time now and say hi, Mickey, will you?
We're not getting off, right? The guy moved the tree.
For those of you who just joined us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. Just a few reminders as we start gathering steam here on our way to Main Street, USA. For your safety, please keep your arms and legs inside the train. Also, we aim to keep a clean train on these tracks, so we kindly request that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking. Thanks for your cooperation. Folks, we are now entering the brave new world of Tomorrowland. This place is a world on the move, with all kinds of new forms of transportation. For instance, right now we're passing the Grand Prix Raceway, featuring them newfangled gas-powered vehicles. Well, they're newfangled me. In front of us is the Wedway People Mover, a true transportation system of tomorrow. That's because it's powered by these things they call linear induction motors. If the name of those things don't sound futuristic, nothing does. To our left is one of the most exciting adventures in the Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain. Folks say that's the biggest thrill to be found in these parks. But me, I prefer riding on the cowcatcher in my bare feet. Off in the distance to the left is the Contemporary Resort Hotel at the Walt Disney World monorail. Still another transportation system of the future. I tell you, they keep coming up with all these modern new forms of transportation, and what do you folks keep riding? That's right, an old steam train like this one. Go figure.
Jump over that fence.
Does it for Tomorrowland. We're now heading for our next stop, Main Street, USA, just up around the bend. Those of you who've been with me for the Grand Central Tour of Magic Kingdom, thanks for coming aboard and putting up with me these last few days. If you're getting off here, stay in your seat till we come to a full and complete stop. And remember to gather all your personal belongings, including the young ones if you got it.
You're careful.
Those of you staying with us, sit tight. We'll be on our way again in a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Folks, expect